It is me. I am back. Donna Dennis, a.k.a. Makeda of Makeda Home and Garden. And boy, oh boy, am I so happy to be with you guys today and have you guys into my home today. Doesn't it look a little different? We're usually outside in the garden, but it's getting chilly out there. Brr. And I'm not playing. I don't play. It's either, if it's too hot or too cold, I'm not there. I just try to prep in the days that it is doable. But anyway, I'm back home in my beautiful home. I have been working on an incredible show called Tiara from Detroit Season 2, working with the incredible set decorator, Sarah Carter. And when I tell you, y'all, it was fantastic, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It's Tiara from Detroit Season 2, BET Plus, and it'll be out in about, I don't know, maybe 6 months, not sure. But anyway, I am back at home in the garden. I just harvested, hold on, let me go get them. I just harvested our last batch of tomatoes. Look, you guys. I have a freezer full of them, and these may get canned. So this time of year, if you are a gardener, or a new gardener, and you're like, what do I do in the wintertime when it gets cold? Baby, you can still grow. The things that I'm growing right now are broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Swiss chard, kale, Brussels sprouts, carrots, garlic, onions. Am I growing kohlrabi? I didn't put any kohlrabi in the floor. But right now, that's what I'm growing. And I will be growing that most of this winter. It'll be just fine unless something really crazy comes through and freezes it down. Because I work in the film industry, you're going nonstop. 16-hour days, 12-hour days, 14-hour days, most of the time. And you never get time to really spend time with the beautiful people that feed into you, that you love. I mean, I do get to go visit my mom, and that's the best person in my life that feeds into me. And I do get to go visit my sister, and that's incredible. But I have beautiful girlfriends that cover me while I'm working and cover me while I'm off. And I never really get to spend that time when I'm working, but when I'm off, baby, I'll make sure I get time. So today, you will meet one of them. She is my neighbor. She is someone who inspires me on the daily. She is the incredible Simpson. Hippie Heathen is going to be in the building. Yes, we are making fire cider for our families. It is a tonic that you can make for your family that last all winter long, and you take shots in the morning, or you take drinks of, you take shots every morning of it. Or if you feel sickness coming on, you take a shot. Well, that is called fire cider. And the fire cider is full of so many incredible ingredients. The ingredients that are in the fire cider are things that grow out of the ground, like turmeric, garlic. Yo, my cat is tripping. But anyway, like turmeric, like garlic, like horseradish, onions, all the things are going in that fire cider. And then you ferment it over weeks with apple cider vinegar, and it creates the most incredible fermented drink that you can take shots of that will boost your immune system so that you can fight those much dreaded colds and COVID and all the things. So this year, I decided to make it with one of my girlfriends. I figure after we finish this session of fire cider, we should have enough fire cider for both of our families. And you guys, oh my gosh, perfect timing. Hello, beautiful. Fantastic. This is my beautiful homegirl, Simpson. We're going to make some fire cider. You guys, are you excited for it?
I'm so excited.
My granddaughter wanted to walk in.
Girlie.
And she couldn't. She's okay. Oh, it's okay. All right. Okay, now tell me, what is your favorite, what are you looking mostly to about making fire cider? Had you heard of it before, or?
Very briefly, but I always am interested in learning new things.
Okay.
And this is something that I think I would really enjoy.
Okay.
And so I'm looking forward to just the process of it.
Okay, well, let me let you know. It is going to be medicine for your family that you will be able to have in your apothecary, girl.
Yes.
And it is incredible because all of the ingredients inside of it will boost your immune system all winter long. So you'll be taking shots of it daily if you want to. And then if you feel somebody getting sick, you take a shot right before. Baby's gonna have jalapenos and all the good stuff.
Oh, I love
so you ready?
I'm so excited.
I'm ready. You
so
ready?
Excited.
Okay.
So excited.
All right. So what we're doing now, we're gonna harvest these peppers. So what we're gonna do is put some jalapenos in here. That's what we need for this fire cider because it's going to make it hot. Another one. And I got a few inside, so we're covered. I'm just going to put these bell peppers.
This is a real gardener, y'all. This is
You are so funny. Yeah, right.
I'm paying attention. Look.
We're going to harvest these 3. See these babies? Okay, and also we're about to make our fire cider, but since we're going to enjoy some fresh tea while we're making the fire cider, let's get some fresh mint. And then let's also grab some of this fresh oregano. The fresh mint is great for your gut, but the fresh oregano is antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral. So a dose of oregano oil or oregano tea every day is incredible for your body. And let's grab one more thing. Let's grab some holy basil to really wake up the tea. I usually use a lot of the flowers. We're on the latter part of this holy basil for the season. And we can grab one calendula leaf and a flower. We're ready to go make tea.
Wait a minute, pause it. Let me see this. Look at this. Look at this.
Honey, we're ready to go make tea.
Wait a minute, pause it. Let me see this. Look at this. Look at this.
Honey, this is all of the stuff for our tea pot.
We just love it. Oh my God.
Girl, this butterfly pea flower is more zen, but it's rich in antioxidants. So we're going to make sure we put this in our tea. So you know we had to get started. Tertiums from the garden. There's holy basil in our teacup. In our tea steeper. Then we added some oregano. And then we had to come back, baby, with some mint. We got that oregano for our antimicrobial properties and the mint to help our guts. Now our tea is on and popping, baby. Let's enjoy. Now, the last thing that we're going to add to that we almost forgot, Ty, is the butterfly tea. Now, this butterfly pea flower is great for so many things. It's traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine and great for your brain health, stress relief, digestion, all the things. Another really cool attribute to this herb is this beautiful purple color. It changes the color of your tea, and the color lightens based off the pH balance in your water. Fresh herbal tea has become a ritual for my family. We drink tea at least 3 times a day, getting that much needed medicine that comes directly from the earth.
Gorgeous this pot is. And not just the pot, but the freaking tea in the pot. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look what it made. Look at our tea.
Okay, so needless to say, it is time to get the fire cider underway. And that we did. Damn, this is good oranges.
I was already planning to smoke one.
They ain't gonna be no oranges to put in our jar. They all juicy. They are so sweet and juicy.
We're making fire cider.
The beautiful thing about gardening, the beautiful thing about it all, is everything you do from the canning to preserving to the cutting, all is full circle. It's all a full recycle circle because we're not even gonna throw these onions away. Also, you know onion powder at the store? It's this.
And you hydrate it?
It's the skin and this.
Stop it.
And you dehydrate it and then you grind it up and that's onion powder.
Oh.
The more you know.
The more you freaking know. Look at that.
So here at the safe space, we're gonna celebrate him.
Thank you, friend.
She's like, I didn't even know I needed the safe space. Onions and fire cider are traditionally used for their immune boosting, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, and for great respiratory support, making them perfect for fire cider. All right, so we're putting our onions in.
The onion first.
Awesome. This kind of cocktail I want, baby. Healing cocktail, baby.
Just a little half a cup of this.
Half a cup of that.
Yeah.
Okay. Ginger, how fabulous are you, darling?
So fabulous.
Now, ginger is the GOAT, offering medicinal benefits like reducing inflammation, easing nausea, supporting digestion, boosting circulation, and fighting congestion. Baby, when I tell you we're not getting sick this winter, we're not getting sick.
Okay, turmeric is next.
Now, being that turmeric is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial, it is perfect in boosting your immune system. And now it is time for the GOAT. Yes, I said it.
Did you cut all of yours open? Or
They said cut them open.
they said crushed. They said the garlic should be smashed or sliced.
Okay, so garlic in fire cider is highly valued in traditional herbal medicine for its immune boosting, antimicrobial, and cardiovascular benefits. The apple cider vinegar in fire cider helps extract and preserve the medicinal compounds of the garlic.
Garlic.
Girl, look at our jars. Look at all grown.
It's looking very
It's
grown.
looking very grown, girl. I think I just want bigger slices of ginger. Can you put too much ginger?
I don't think you could ever put too
I
much.
want a little more ginger. I think I want a bigger, just like a
Too much ginger.
slices of ginger.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're altering our recipe just a bit. It's very important that you make this fire cider your very own.
I feel like we're making progress.
Oh,
I
we're definitely making
do.
progress.
Oh my gosh, it's time for the extra herb. And then should we do the peppers first?
Yes.
All right.
So we should do peppers first. I don't know how many.
I'll take 2. All right, these are 2 jalapenos, homegrown. Yay, they're so beautiful. I see them. Oh my God, my first time using my homegrown jalapenos in fire cider. How freaking dope is that? Oh, girl, you
She's just having a moment with her own jalapeno, y'all. She's using her own peppers in our fire cider. She's so cute. Like,
I'm
she's
so
happy.
excited. I don't know what to do. That is so funny. She called me like in nerd mode.
You're like, let me look at how this is made. Look at
that.
it,
Oh my
guys.
God. It just came out of the ground.
Just picked peppers to go in our fire cider.
The capsaicin and vitamin C in jalapeno peppers are the properties that make it medicinal. These properties are believed to contribute to the tonic's overall benefits, particularly in the areas of circulation, congestion relief, and inflammation. Okay, it's all the love in this. It's so amazing. Okay, here we go.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we're about to put the jalapeno peppers in the jar.
Yes.
Oh my God, y'all, look at our jars. They're even better. Look at all that goodness, honey. Baby, look at us, girl.
Yes.
We are taking care of our homes, taking care of our sanctuaries
Yes.
with good, yummy medicine. Okay, let me get this last one. Oh, that smells so good.
Guys, I wish you could smell this.
Can you believe we
I
just
wish
got
you could smell this, y'all. So freaking good.
Can you believe that we just got this out of the yard? Out of the garden? Oh, girl.
After the rosemary is the lemon and the orange.
Okay. Rosemary is, you already know what's the goat.
It is the goat.
Antiviral, antimicrobial,
Antiviral.
antifungal. So you might as well just.
Just go lay in a bed of rosemary. Just go sleep in there for about 5 days.
Okay, you're gonna be just fine.
Okay.
Okay, our next ingredient. Yay! Okay. Okay, y'all, we've got our rosemary in here. Thyme. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I can't believe I'm actually doing this, but I know.
I just got goosebumps when I smelled the jar. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
actually almost forgot the fire. How much horseradish did it say you used?
Because it's telling me just root grated or finely chopped.
What did we use a quarter cup of? Was it turmeric?
The quarter cup was turmeric.
I said I'm gonna use a quarter cup of horseradish
Okay.
and see and do that because this is literally the stuff.
Well, let's do it.
It's the horseradish pulp.
Let's do it.
Oh shit.
Horseradish.
Horseradish. I got this from Goldberg's Deli, and I could not find horseradish in any store that didn't have a lot of a lot of
A
stuff
lot of
in
stuff
it.
in it.
Yeah, so I was happy to find this.
Okay. All right, next thing, we got some cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks. Wait a minute. I am hollering.
Can we find out who thought of fire cider, who invented it? This
amazing.
season is not complete without fire cider.
No.
Like,
no.
period.
Period.
Now, lemons is next.
Yes.
Okay.
Lemons is-
As we wind down from making our fire cider, big shout out to my homegirl Ty Simpson. I could not have done this fire cider without you. Fun fact, Ty is a social media icon, world traveler, and international wellness influencer.
Look at this. This is beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? So beautiful. Guys, this like
You remember how you said you went when you went to Mongolia, and you said it gave you hope in
it gave me hope in humanity again. Like my Lord, it's on the what?
He said we gonna be okay.
We gonna be alright.
Okay. That's so beautiful.
We gonna be alright.
Okay, y'all. So we are at I think this is our final stage, right?
This
The
is our
oranges.
final stage.
We're putting the oranges. We got everything in there.
Mm-hmm.
Sticking our oranges inside. Okay. Hey, baby. I can't wait, baby. Look at that. Look at that life. It's amazing. All right.
Somehow we failed to show the vinegar pour, so here you go.
Okay, so I cannot believe we're so finished. All right, let's put the lid on. All right, they say that if we put the parchment paper on it, when we screw this on, then the liquid will not rust the metal rim of the lid
Oh,
and cause bacteria to start forming.
Look at that, guys.
So it makes it sanitary. Look!
Yes.
I'm so proud of us!
We did it.
Oh my God, can we toast? Can we toast?
Yes.
Well, we toasted in the shower.
Cheers to a new season of good health, of really going in and finding the beautiful, most deepest parts of ourselves that want to evolve and continue to grow with our family. And also cheers to really delving into more of our gifts in a very intentional and actionable way to share them. This is one of them.
Yes, and cheers to all the ingredients that we have put in these jars, and the intentions and the love and the prayers that we have put in these jars for our family. And cheers to the health and healing it's going to give our families. I'm so excited. Cheers. Fire cider complete. That's great. Awesome.
Oh, look at that, guys. We have tea and tinctures.